Five Below is right behind me. That's Sally's. There's a Five Below there, I swear. See, let's go check out the Kiki section super quickly and then head home because it is dark and I don't want to be driving in the dark. Boyfriend also wants candy, so we're also looking for candies. Please tell me it's here. Yes, it's here. I have to get one that's not chipped though, because there's chips sometimes. This one's chipped. This one does not look chipped. This is perfect. Oh, I have that fish one too. What is this? A bow? These are cute too. Okay. Alrighty. I can't really afford anything else currently, but we got what we came for. And let's get candy next. I think I just might get him like, ooh, I don't know. Ooh, trolley. Ew, bursting worms? Hell no. We're doing electric trolley. That sounds good. I'm home and it's time to release the babies. Wasn't a lot of babies. This is who we got the bowls for. Her seashell bowls for her chickens. See you tomorrows. See you tomorrows for the next vlog. Bye.